the coach. Na de bia mbema ya ka coach asem coach ayese enye coach ne be bobo na shepo no. Me will be 24/7. Enra scoring training na ye wo honum. De bia original strikers no so about scoring, about say abutre say. Baby amonye do enye say ekirem say pass man fa down. Man control ball ni say when you onya akwala afina was 12 years aye ekirem say de bobo no. We were there. The American say ball no ewo mumu. Omun kick on mu kakra.
Don water see baby a players no nye duru na nya afina ko gina go pama no so a agi se coach be catch us for ball ne fa from players na nkasa so ma so edin ene nsam kakra don bote edi tu dwa na don bote se yensan ka mo obi ante ase say current players o musi akan e wo Ghana ha se no quality ne de omo wo bomo lack confidence
generation we omo bo Ghana football na nkasa no omo bo teams no quality so bebre wo quality so omo kita idea na ye wo no bi omo kita bibie but omo use no sen omo use no with confidence ana omo use no with character na what has Asante Kotoko the character na about confidence. Football is all about confidence. Say unwa akwala na ose wanya 14 years na ose boot no ni ubo no se obetumi abo hwenu yi obebo emfa unu no ubo a boni say the league match na e quality players.
Confidence no ana don bote edi etudwa na wan fancy o say has folk enkane no na omu junior side Arrows na timi produce great players by say no Arrows no em produce quality and great players biem.
First say the Arrows no yenya Steven Apia mu ni Ishmael mu Samia Jemu bae no en Lewis Ajima mu enye sisi enye sa na tie bio because o hwe manaf mu time manaf mi share support mu yenya wo mu no bibia be chi sisan Asante na dombo te ba ye benya Amza eni abeta pesi amafo Afritete mu
no emfancy ase ni enko Augustine Ahemfo na odin sembebre na de atudwa according to Augustine Ahemfo no say no anka obenya wo ye national team coach ani say wo attach to any club side eye na conflict of interest bi abepiem e wo ho Augustine Ahemfo.
The FA, the government, the whoever come together. Let's employ coaches for particular things that will be paid monthly. Allow their jobs to be only on scouting to select the right ones. That person cannot and should not be compromised by any shape or form. We don't need to pick a coach who is also attached to a club as a national coach. We don't need to do that. We should stop that. Assuming that we select stars, we select an 29 team. Bobo, in Suta. How do you monitor the other players or more than to select the right ones out of it? So we should stop that. We are maintaining that because we are not paying
to Janienko a minister, Honorable Kofi Adams, ono ana sports ono no ehwe so osena say under 20 team omuko Egypt omuko free mono ocho omodembo omo ya de pa na nkobenya nke ntimi graduate omo ne enfo omo nko under 23.
The U20 team painfully exited from the African Championship at the quarter-final stage. That team is really a very good team, and I believe that it is a team that when you keep it with few additions, they will grow to become the under-23 that will be participating in the Olympics competition to be hosted again by, I think, United States of America. And when that time comes, I believe football and many other sports will do us some
good. Tuja efa under 20 team ne ho na yenko PM coach Oti Akenten so ye na coach Oti Akenten say benko 5-year development plan or de betu dwa no eni ade ananka wo se edi so enam se yentimi endi so ne ka ho bi ana football no ba na eba fom.
To be very honest, I was going in line with, because I became a little bit biased because I was with Mr. Benkofi. You remember we put in a fight of it, and I did a lot of it. Mr. Dasupari, Kosia, Frane, Sam Dudu, most of them. We did a lot of work. Besides to say, Kukudazi. We did a lot, you see. And so I've been using that to unfortunately.
Na haso for coach Abubakar Watara you say pressure e won so pay you no atwetwe nkomo bebre na coach say fans ne pressure mo de man ne pa na e no esa motivate onu coach na nkasa.
No, very simple. So when you say seeing a play, supporters use there, when you say the Amankona, it's normal to criticize. The only way I see now, with the pressure this way, when you understand, you listen carefully. So me, look at them say, Yalun is a moon. Look at them say, moon or move original farmers. Now, look at them say, the same was in I believe it because I made that fine. But over time said, as a senior also may move.
Coach Edema Crass of folk. Now, some way the minimum house of folk fans, you know, Ebu Enjo so cran. Coach Uba Kawatara say, sponsorship, I say, house of folk Kenya, no, a supporters, no, or more attitude in the Todebia, a attractive sponsorship, or more attitude in you also swear a promo sponsorship. Coach Watara.
You are not thinking about a record. You are thinking about the match, the months of us of all. It's really far because of it. Just a minute, the program now we will be some other known. So be some other known. You might say, oh, the program we say how much who got nothing new wash. The me camera require so we say again require to continue to require. We will stress and plan. Yes, the changes, the VIP, we can we said test, something we change. And that's we understand that kind of the pressure. I think if you are not ready to do the coach work or the team like us to say, because as of is pressure. The pressure is motivation.
Now, coach, you wish to say at the end of the season, no, the house of folk kumpokra was some year. Coach Watara say, I was so mutinous no more analyze the house of folk season, no, and some pokra no be jobi kwine, and also munjo be kwine.
Jumabian here, public affairs. Ubiati can wide no first of all, entrance say what you are is the league. There's a young tenacity to analyze. We take the decision, favor or not favor for somebody. I think that situation can review no one because the doctor says
na coach edu si ase ni nyame aduma mu ni brekum Chelsea oba Ghana ha se be coach Accra Super no baby a o ti brekum Chelsea bia na o show mo nyame aduma weekend ni brekum Chelsea say na be si akọ.
You are not thinking about a record. You are thinking about the match, the moment match. We are going to fight to get the maximum points. The team Chelsea have one of the good coach on this league. This match are not easy. That's why we are preparing. We are not thinking about the record. We need the point. We know the team Chelsea also needs the point. That's the way we are thinking about. We are going to give the maximum effort to bring better results.
Nyame aduma weekend here 3 points no inshallah House of Folk the Continental Club Masters ebetima je sa 3 points ni nyina yenko piem our Black Queen so aseye Alexandra Emefa te edin sembe na de atudwa Alexandra Emefa say Black Queens mu preparation in Pokra say na esiko.
I'm thrilled. I'm really pleased and grateful to have the opportunity to come back and compete with such a high level and high quality group of girls. So I hope to keep doing so in the future. I'm really, really proud of our group. We came out and, I think we had a lot of hunger, a lot of desire. And of course, we're appreciative as well of the Queens for giving us that fight and ending in a draw, happy with that. So moves to make and progress to be made. But, now we have an idea of where to go from. And so we're really happy with that opportunity.
Really say it is in Tiemefa preparation of Black Queens no they are to Ghana. They say new players any old players or more Black Queens camp no say na musi copy relationship ni Pokra saying Emefa.
This group has a really good ethos of taking it, one day at a time, one training at a time. Something that the coach has been working with us as well as our discipline and making sure that, we're focused on the little moments. So I think we're trying to make the most of those and maximize those right now. I'd like to say thank you. I'm really, really proud to be able to represent the country and we'll keep working for any opportunity to do so. So thank you for your...
Queens, a player, and I didn't send baby na to ja. Young Korea will come and say Asante Kotoko so say yeah. Lawyer Safuduku Eden Sembe Brenana they are to join your communications director Adima Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now lawyer Safuduku see and come obi anti CSA. Frederick Kasaya is saying the contract no ebe ɔmo Kumasi Asante Kotoko ɛyɛ deɛ wɔsɔ ɔmo yɛ bia sɛ ɔmo betumi renew aberanteɛ no contract ɛde ama no because ɔmo behia no ɛwɔ Kumasi Asante Kotoko so ɔmo tumi qualify ɛde kopiem ɛwɔ Africa na players ɔmo behia ɔmo soso no saa players ni nyinaa no ɔmo try so ɔmo betumi renew ɔmo contract ɛne ne kakra efiri Kumasi Asante Kotoko aso ɛyɛ ɛde ɛba.
Okay, nti yɛntoa so ɛmfa ɛmfiri hɔ na afei yɛmfa de aka no so ntimi ɛntoa so ɛmfa ma yɛn atiefo Abubakar Watara ana kyerɛ sɛ wɔkyerɛ sɛ fans no mo pressure no ɛnso na kyerɛ sɛ ɛmotivate ɔno Watara ɔpanyini wei ɛnsɛm ɔbɛka deɛ ɛnyɛ easy yɛntoa so na afei no yɛmfa de wɔ nyinaa so ntimi ɛma atiefo yɛnkɔdi nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ ne yɛfɛ no sɛ Kumasi Asante Kotoko asoyɛ na exclusives from Asante Kotoko asoyɛ no ɛdɔɔso monum sɛ meka kyerɛ wo sɛ ɔpanyini ɛfɛ no sɛ James Kwasiapia atache down obɛpiem weekends yi ɛwɔ Asante Kotoko na apenkra awua nyinaa nso bɛpiem na ɔmoba ɛhɔ ana kyerɛ sɛ meeting no ɛnso so ɛbɛtumi atodwa na meeting ne ɛkɔ so a ɛhɔ no mbɛdi nkɔmmɔ na afei ɔmahwɛ sɛdeɛ ɔmbɛpɛ Kotoko ɛyɛ club no Puma Sibre ɔmo de bɛdi new coach no ho nkɔmmɔ na afei so no ɔmo ne ɛyɛ Frederick Asare ɛnso atimi ahyia ma wurawura mu adi nkɔmmɔ ɔnsa no ambɛka kyerɛ wo sɛ club ɛfɛ no sɛ Sekukuni United ɛwɔ South Africa ɛpɛ Frederick Asare na sika no mu odu Sir Frederick Asare ɛbɛstane ne contract no ɛde ama team ɛfɛ no sɛ Asante Kotoko no ɛyɛ bɛsɛ 20%. Sir Frederick Asare bɛstane ne contract ɛde ama team ɛfɛ no sɛ Kumasi Asante Kotoko no bɛdi nkɔmmɔ mahudeɛ no so esi ɛkɔ ɛdi nkɔmmɔ pii na Frederick Asare deal no ɛbɛyɛ den sɛ ɔbɛstane de ama team ɛfɛ no sɛ Asante Kotoko Frederick Asare likely so be free Kotoko team no so atimi akọ nyamboa ene bia ti se nkomo no mu ye den odi afasa bi nso nka ti se James Kwasiapia ene na apenkra Kwasiawua e convince ni nyamboa weekends o mo convince ni ye ene dia fine but amasa dia de matete ne de sika ne mu du but table no say bama kenya player bia no abeko na yada so Asante Kotoko asoye no obeka sa Kotoko nsem kwa na meka yanki ni Kotoko nkomo kakra has to folk nkomo no odi afansi wo Asante Kotoko de no so no mepa che nyambo a onum se Prosperity Ogum signings January a signings wadi players ni pi na so baaye Kwasi Asante terminate no contract amaneko na the next two so be connect say netie Kotoko IMC no enye happy with Ogum players bia wodi omo baaye no na player for the Samson Eduku Jemetene say Samson Eduku transfer no bia obeko player for the Isaac Minta and so likely so no so fit me for the Asante Kotoko mu so etimi akọ Samson Eduku Isaac Minta be free Asante Kotoko team no and so etimi akọ because say IMC no any NJ sign is bia a course so January no the players so do likely so be free Kotoko team no and so etimi akọ any said no so esitie na player I find say Walid Hussein Neymar I was na kaide matima na was na kaide matima e find say so atreman na onimbo de bo ye ka se player bi nimbo bo a akoda ne kan onimbo ne bo pa onim se Kotoko ni na di nkomo a ma ka won sempie na che se Kotoko pe no na se ni akodu ni se Asante Kotoko fo no any player fan say Walid ti omo di nkomo no na dia akoma Walid esuo ni se akoba se wote ase na oba team fan say Asante Kotoko na e kire bi performance na anko yi a they see ɛwɔ nsuo atrema no ebia na fans no krampo no akasa akwa be kwa nyon kwa na wɔ nsuo atrema no nyom na sabi ɔmkɔgye ye fan kra no na se supporter kra nkwa finisem enti ama nsuo atrema no case no asɛ akwa ne suro kakra na mmom akwa na nkasa de onya tim efane Asante Kotoko obɛbɔ Kotoko no ope na nsuo atrema issue no ana akoma de a kyese osuro kakra on se ni akoso ne se James Akwasiapia ene Nana Apinkrawa saike akwa no omo hwe ne mu se bia so betima akoso kama eti amano na afi omo dan batima fence Asante Kotoko a fantastic player born de woni piampa enti omo hwe ne mu se bia so betima go so na se bia so betima go through eno wa lead Neymar for saying the no actually no so it because how to focus pen but I had to focus some no person make canopy because of say the Kobas a new coach about the recruitment and penny for that share what answer and penny for the maka the penny for na no omo no pese watara tena say majority ni pese watara tena nyame na me pese watara tena mintimi nkasa me mintimi nkahwe mfa watara tena wo so won tena say no empanifo no omo ne ka bi ewom say watara and stay we stay because even fans kra kan omo ntie and oya fan na akasa okwa demonstration be kwa e be chiwatum ati ase ene yen mapie no koso ato foku wo dey share aso foku supporters and as fans ya chiwo mo e do am police station Debi na kwa kotwe anu asem sisi a edemi ebi nkura court how to fuck tino enye easy to watara tena dia on ebeje ebe ni recruitment but wa lead name afose ne dia ne dia how to fuck anya interest enso ewo ni mu enti yento aso ne ni nkomo Asante Kotoko okona o maso ya player friend say Ismail Ado I was not kind of my friend say Pando Heart of Lions Kotoko anybody 18 komo 70% done Ismail Ado 70% done Kotoko transfer ni there James Kwasiapia Nana Penkra omone yom bibia 70% done player friend say Ismail Ado Osina Kadima Pando Heart of Lions. I did want some eba. King's project no. Asante Kotoko King's project na say ekoso no. Enche official announcement beba. Say Ghana Gas. Abe take over. Ebe King's project no. Amo ebe complete ambe bibia tisike bewrom awoma complete Kings project no entinyambo a enchekra official announcement beba say Ghana Gas and as I say almost sponsor Asante Kotoko Kings project no ahwema bibia so etimi akoso eno say de ne so esitie mami mpie mo brekum Chelsea na mini nkomo kakra brekum Chelsea. Before that, no, Akwasiapia and so the 2 strikers eba Asante Kotoko. Akwasiapia the 2 strikers eba Asante Kotoko. Oh yes. Any said them sumiti ni bino. See for yanko Brikum Chelsea encoding komo. Steven Amankona Brikum Chelsea player, a fantastic player. Say Brikum Chelsea dia onimbo nebo but ya minim yintie o free Brikum Chelsea ani amankoyi because oba Asante Kotoko yi wantima mohu ani amankoyi amfama no and player dia na ka ho because player bi wo ha o club ya wontimi mbo ko ba bi so wontimi mbo pa sanete na Steven Amankona no Brikum Chelsea forward no tie ni yakoso Uramo South Africa. Amazuru FC. Amazuru FC. A club of South Africa. And yet to say, only team of friends Brekum Chelsea 18 Komo. I just say Amope player fan say a Steven Amankona from Brekum Chelsea. And yet to say Brekum Chelsea for a demanded $100,000 from Amazuru. $100,000. Na kobasa Amazuru for no assign Steven Amankona every month about $7,000. Every month $7,000. Na Steven Amankona and so bit me aje a free Amazuru for no. And we are said and so 8 me koso into $7,000 there. Modu. We are Ghanaian player not as OPM, Ghana can play players no 8 GB and Kayapa. South Africa no betia because only Gino check classic out general thing. Don't betia and I am a Zulu no and your small clubs are our South Africa. Dabi in Jamo per Steven Amankona and so 8 me oh I just say no so any easy cry. And the ready no so beat me akoso na afino the BCB asro am I for aso at me at it. How to folk players in the Bimbako players some of we Bimbako maybe Moswaba. Now 30 names be now the Indian person by council P and say coaching once and seven. You have to focus on some free gym. You have to focus on some free gym. Now, if you're ready, and also submit me a coso. Oh, yes, players in the Bible call Ebumbaba. Senior players in the B. How much our club would know? Yatibi Mudin Sebumbeco. And I feel so. I'm crying this and fat. Ebi Musobeko. And I may catch it, I will say, player for the Sasamoa Button. One send a supple moon swa. And Panifono so Bijano Kamanako. Sanima San. And Tim will be not 4 games now. I can. Had to book next matches now. I can. On Fanny Bit, on proving itself. Then no go back home, Poby man. A group of mind there. Where striker, where top striker Poby man. I say Kashala Wanel Ramos. Poby man Ronaldo no. I best so sia. And you know, we be a one fire. We be obeya one ye. Asana dabonye na du. Kinya hwede no so beat me akọ watara. Ya fan sem ni sia.